What's going on, mother truckers? Kent Hollywood Saint on Facebook is putting out this video. People have shared it to me. People are upset. They're like, how could Walmart chain truck drivers' tires? And you know what? Little backstory. Walmart doesn't like truck drivers, and it might be our fault. A lot of truck drivers park in the parking lot, and right there, they're throwing out yellow bottles, they're throwing out trash. They're making a disgusting mess and not picking up after themselves, and made it bad for the rest of us that are just looking for some safe parking. So, of course, when people see a video like this, where it looks like, Walmart is chaining truck drivers' tires, it's making people livid. But I'm doing a little bit of Inspector Gadget. I'm looking close to this video. And for one, I don't know if it's really at a Walmart. I mean, it looks like it's on a side street when looking at that curb. For two, it's a small chain with a master lock. I don't think Walmart would even do that. They would just call the tow truck. Overall, mother truckers, I just really think this is somebody just trying to do prevention and trying to keep people from stealing his rims. He might be in a bad location or had his tires taken before, and so he's just putting that on just so that people might just step to the next one. Mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think.